Hey guys, Dallas here from Dun & Watson. We're just going to be doing a brief run through of how you would assemble a heavy duty fridge slide. So we've got an unassembled one here, we've got a pre-built one here. So this video would apply to all fridge slides that run on our 227 kilo slides. So that would be your 60 litre and over, your 80 litre and over, your 95 litre and over, and your extra long fridge slide like we have here. So as I said, here's one that we've built. When it comes to assembling these, no drilling is required. All your pilot holes are done for you. It's just a matter of fitting the nuts and the bolts. So the only thing that's important to make note is that the nut heads internally sit inside the tray and externally outside the runners, because if you were to invert them the other way, you're going to get bolt heads colliding with each other inside the slide. So as long as you get that part right, it's all very straightforward. So as I said, there's one built, and here we have here what you'd receive. So this is an extra long fridge slide. Just different dimensions for other units, otherwise completely the same. So you get your 4-pack of restraint straps, you get your packing nut and bolts, you get your internal tray, you get your pair of slides, and you got your mounting feet here. So first thing you want to do is fit the slides to your mounting feet, and it's also important to put the left hand slide on the left and the right hand slide on the right. So what you want to do is, first thing you want to do is you want to bring the runner all the way out to full extension. And as you'll see, that's going to expose the mounting holes that we're trying to gain access to. And when we lay it down like so, you'll be able to see them like that. And it's all really simple stuff. So it'll just be a matter of literally lining up your hole, hold in like so, tighten it off. Just for this one, I'll just quickly drop it in all of them. Keep it loose, but you'll get the idea. And the last one. Okay. So you tighten them off. Done it on this one as well. Imagine you've done this on both sides. You're just in there like so. It comes time now to do the internal tray. So you bring the unit all the way out to full extension. Same deal here. You'll see we've got the preset pilot holes. So there's no guessing involved. You just pick the ones that line up with the holes. So that would be up here at the front. And you just look through the runner to find where it's got to go. And this time, I'm just going to be going from inside. Same deal. Tighten it off. Like that. Just going to repeat that for all these holes. You're going to repeat that down the other slide like so. Tighten everything off. Like so. Nice and firm. Then when you're done, it'll just be a matter of unlocking the slide, pushing it through like so. Just like that unit here. I might even bring that up to show you. Now it's important to note, you'll see here there are several hole centers, and some of these may not be accessible at full extension. And the work around that is you have this cutout here, and you'll see by simply unlocking the slide, I can move the runner along, and you'll see that it's going to expose the access point to that hole. And that's how you work around that. So if there's any holes you can't get to, it's just going to be a matter of going through that access window to gain access to that pilot hole. But there you have it. As I said, it's very brief. If you have any questions, just give us a call or flick us an email. But yeah, that's how you put one together.